Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 308 SW in the Tech Edition specification. So as the name suggests, this car is packed full of great features, including this lovely panoramic glass roof, its 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, you get front and rear parking sensors with colour reversing camera, and the car also has the ability to self-park. Now inside the car you've got 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this there's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, there's cruise control with a speed limiter, you also get blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done less than 9,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.